Here's how to find the phone number on your Instagram account. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. It works the exact same. Now we need to get to your settings to see that phone number and maybe change it or delete it. So tap on the menu at the very bottom right and then the three lines at the top right. Now that you're in your settings, you can always find that phone number associated with your account and change it and update it, but it lives in the account center at the very top. So just tap on account center here. And now from here, you can see midway down towards the bottom is personal details. Keep in mind, this phone number is what they'll use to text you and verify that you own the account. So tap on contact info and on there is your phone number. So just tap on it. Keep in mind on here, you can tap on delete this phone number. However, it will disable two-factor authentication. And keep in mind, if you do delete your phone number, you will need an email address essentially to be able to recover your account if you don't have it. Now on here, you can also just change it by going back at here, tapping on add new contact and add mobile number. From here, just enter in that new phone number, essentially to get that new phone number for your Instagram account if you just wanted to change it.